Whomever you're calling, you please call outside. What are you doing? Just go out, man.
Why did you hit me? First of all, why did you hit me?
I have
Why
not
you
hit you.
tortured
I have
me?
not touched
Over
you
the
also.
calls,
Please just
you
go
have
out.
hit me.
Okay, please just go
You
out.
have hit me. You have hit me.
You barged into my house and
I did.
you're abusing me?
Your father, mother.
What the hell is wrong with
Your
you?
father, mother told my. I don't know. We disowned them. After that, they come to Bangalore.
Oh.
They got you engaged with
You
Diksha.
please go out.
Huh? You
You
did
please
all these
go out.
things with me. How could you do with a woman, man? If you did with one, who forced you to get married? Who forced you? Who forced you?
Please just go
Did I
out.
force you? Did I force you?
You have 100% forced me. You please go out.
Did I? Okay, who came?
Okay.
Did I
Please
come
go
or you
out.
came to the temple?
Please just
You
go
wanted to
outside.
marry me. Huh? What did
Please
you do?
just go out.
What did you do with me? What did you do with
Please
me?
just go out and tell
What
me.
did you
I will
do?
have to call the police right
You
now.
called? Who? What do you want to do?
Please just go out. I'm telling you, please.
What did you do with
Just
me?
go out, man.
What did you do with me?
What the
Tell me.
hell is wrong with
Tell me
you?
what did you do with me? Tell me what did you do?
Don't
with me?
touch. Don't touch.
What
Don't
did
touch.
you do?
Just don't.
What did
Just
you do?
don't. Just don't.
What did
Please.
you do? with me? What did you do?
Please just go out.
What did you do? with me?
Okay?
What did you do with me?
Please just go out.
Why? Why you
I'm
cheated on
telling
me?
you.
Why you cheated on me? Why you cheated on me?
Please just go out.
Why you cheated on
I am
me?
telling you, please
Why
just
you
go out.
cheated on me?
Don't touch my phone.
Why you cheated on me?
Okay?
Why you cheated on
Please
me?
just
Why
go.
you cheated on me?
Please just come out. Please come out. What the hell is wrong with you? I'm telling you. Please just go out.
Ow!
What is wrong with you? Just get out. You file. You do whatever you want. You know what? I am telling you. If you don't go right now,
I will
I'm
not go.
going
I'm
to call
going
the
to
police.
call the police.
Okay.
What did you do with me?
Huh?
What did you do
Please
with me?
just go.
What did you do? What did you do with
I
me?
have not done anything.
Shut up!
Okay? Just go. I'm telling you, just
Shut
go.
up!
Just go.
What lies you talk?
Get out of the house.
Oh.
Just get out of the house.
I'm calling the
I'm
police.
telling you. There is enough evidence that what you have been doing to yourself. So there is no.
Now, what evidence? What did I do to myself?
Okay.
What did I do to myself? What did I do? This is all bloody chutyapan you did in my life with me. You played with me. Okay? If you didn't want to marry, you could have done whatever you want. Why did you marry me? Why did you marry me? And you are sitting in Mangalore for 5-7 days and got engaged. I will reach to Diksha also. I will show her our personal pictures, photographs. First of all, I'm going to troll up in the media. I am going to do it. Nothing. I don't have to even see that kind of woman's face who got engaged to you. Okay?
Surprised.
I am surprised, Sunny Mahipal. I am surprised. I am surprised what you did with me. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಈ ಮಂಗಳೂರವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನನಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವ್ನು ಚೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ನೀನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕೂರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನಂತೇಳಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆಯ್ತದು ಪೀಪಲ್ ವೇರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ವಿತ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ correct no and I'm going to show all these things what you have done with my hand. I'm going to show all these things. There's nothing after that you holding the phone, after that you doing all these things, nothing will matter. Nothing is going to matter. Okay? Nothing is going to matter. You didn't feel ashamed what you did with me? You didn't feel ashamed what you did with me?
Like you putting that fork in your hand and scrubbing it against your skin.
Don't talk rubbish.
Right.
What you did, don't tell me. Okay? Okay?
So
Keeping the camera and all. Let the police come. Let them do my MLC. Let them.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ನೋಡು ಈಗ 6:30 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು
ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ
ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿಂತೀಯ ಹೇರ್ಕೋತೀಯ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು 6:30ಗೆ ನೀನ್ ಬರಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ತಲೆ ತಿನ್ಬೇಡ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲ್ಸಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಲೆ ತಿನ್ಬೇಡ 6:30ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ
Okay, bro, 6:30 ಬಂದ್ರೆ you don't want to come into my route, I don't want to come into your route. What you want to do?
ರೂಟ್ ಗೀಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ರೂಟ್ ಗೀಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀನ್ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಓಕೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀನೇನು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ
ನಾನು ಏನು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಸನ್ನಿ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಮೆಸೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೀ.
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಆಯ್ತಾ 6:30 ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ.
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೀ, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಅಬಾರ್ಟ್. ನೋ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಸೇಮ್
ಸರಿ,
ರೂಟ್.
ಆಯ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಂದು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
ಏನಂತ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ರೀ? ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಗ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ರೀ.
ತಲೆ ತಿನ್ಬೇಡ, ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೀ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೋನ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್.
ನಿನ್ನ ಟೋನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನ್ ಯಾರು ಅಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನೀನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಡ, ಓಕೆ? ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೀ ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿಲಿ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ನನಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕೇರ್, ಓಕೆ? ಸೊ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. 6:30 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಬೇಡ.
ನಾನು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೋರ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್.
ಸರಿ, ಓಕೆ. ಇದು ನಿನ್ ಕಾರಣಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೋ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ವಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಮ್, ಯು ಕಮ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫೈನ್. ನೀನೇನು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡ.
ನಾನು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ.
And if you are worried, and one more thing I want to clarify, if you are worried, you don't have to worry. ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವನು. He is not, you don't have to worry. ಏನು ನೀನು ಅಂತದೇನು ಹೆದರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೆಸರುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ ನಾನು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ
ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ನನಗೆ ನಿನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನಾನು ಎದುರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರನೂ. ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಯವ್ರ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಎದುರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ.
ಸರಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಬಿಸಿ ವಿತ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, ಓಕೆ? ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್
you said you're driving and now you're telling you're busy with something.
ಸರಿ, ಆಯ್ತು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಸುದ್ದಿ ಖಚಿತ, ನ್ಯಾಯ ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ.